When a heavy rain comes, please take time to listen. Anong nararamdaman mo kapag umuulan? Rain is not just a random weather phenomenon. As a matter of fact, it is a metaphorical word to define God's limitless power, radical love, divine protection, and mercy. When a heavy rain comes all of a sudden, let us rejoice and give thanks unto the Lord. Alam mo ba, hindi po lahat ng bansa ay nakakaranas ng pag-ulan. Meron pong mga bansa dito sa mundong ito na hindi man lang po nakakaranas ng pag-ulan. To all the people out there, whether you are experiencing a rainy season from time to time, don't be upset. Master the art of patience and endurance. God is our forever umbrella in this world, filled with so much discord, setbacks, and predicaments. Diba, sabi nga po sa awiting ito, sino pong nakakaalam nito? Taas ang kamay. Alam niyo ba ito? Isayaw ako sa gitna ng ulan, mahal ko. Kapalit man nito'y buhay ko. Once again, to all the people out there, may we all learn how to dance gracefully and joyously even under the rain. It's a simple reminder with love and pure intention. Bye everyone! Mag-iingat po kayo palagi ha!